Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the air elements effect on Higgsfield AI. And this is what the air elements looks like, very similar to Mrs. Fantastic, and like an invisibility cloak and levitation. So all you have to do is to go to this great website I found, higgsfield.ai. And if you're a video editor and you're looking for VFX effects with AI, this is the best for you. So all you have to do is to log in on this website, scroll, click on visual effects, then scroll and choose the air element section. You'll be brought to a page like this where you can see other effects, other videos that have been created using this effect. All you have to do is to click on generate, and you'll be taken to a page where you can actually upload the picture or photo of your choice, and then you get to select your motion, add your image, and then you get a video. Very three simple steps. So you can click on this to add your initial frame, and this, if you have a final frame in mind, you can click on this also. Then this prompt section, you can just input your prompts here if you want to, and choose your resolution. Now this is 5 credits, but we can see that you have I've used 38% of my credits. So but I do not want this because this model will consume more credit and is on a premium package. So I'll just choose this Higgsfield light. Higgsfield lights will produce the same quality and at a lower credit cost. So you can just click on this after uploading your picture, and then you have your image, your video ready for download. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.